Hey guys, want to jump on here really quick and do a review of the Star Wars Millennium Falcon. Now, guys, going to pan out so you can see the epicness in my office. We've obviously got a ton of Star Wars, but this is the centerpiece today. This Millennium Falcon Lego build is absolutely incredible. I had so much fun putting this together. Now, y'all, this is not for the faint of heart. This Millennium Falcon, it takes a very long time to put it together. So be ready for that. It took me multiple days of dedicating hours and hours to try to get this build done. But as you can tell, it is 100% just absolutely worth it. I mean, so incredible. Love this thing. Can't recommend this product enough, especially for all the OG Star Wars fans. The Millennium Falcon is definitely very, very significant to the whole Star Wars plot. So anyways, I'm gonna preach if I keep going about the Star Wars-ness, but this thing, I mean, I'm just gonna punch in just so you can see some of this detail. I mean, this is just incredible, y'all. Incredible build, so much fun. Definitely would recommend for all you Star Wars fans and maybe even nerds like me. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys. Have a great day.